Okay, here we are at the new question. This is page 162 of our 6A workbook. We are looking at chapter number 5, Angles in Geometry Fingers. We are going to zoom into question number 7. Okay, this is a level 2 questions. Let's take a read at this question first. Here, you have A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and A, B, E is a triangle. A, B, E is a triangle. Then you have some given angles, and then you have some missing angles you are supposed to identify. Given angles, angle DAF, and then you have EFC. These are the two given angles, and then you have the angles that you're supposed to find out. Angle ABE, angle ABE, and angle CEF. Now, looks a bit complicated. You have two shapes that's named, and then they are overlapping, and then you have a lot of angles and a lot of letters. As you can see, if you look it flat like that, it looks like there's, one triangle here, one triangle here, one possible trapezium here. Now, let's go with identifying the shapes that's given in the questions first. Usually, whatever that's given in question are the direct clues to how to solve the question. So starting with the first one, the parallelogram, A, B, C, D. So really, if you think of it, if you can identify the clues given in the question first and foremost, that's like the first step to being able to solve the question. Okay, so that's the first one. That's a parallelogram. So here the first property will be parallelogram. Let me write it for short. Yeah, parallelogram. Okay, then you have the ABE is a triangle. I'm going to color that in pink. The big one, you see the overlapping AB line, and then you have EB. This one, and then you have this one. That's overlapping triangle, the big triangle. Then you have the known angles, 45 degrees here, and then 80 degrees here. The unknown angles, ABE, and CF here. So I'm coloring them so they can see a bit better. Now, okay, so starting to solve this, I have to look closely at what are the properties that might be useful to help me solve the question and what I have learned previously. So I have the parallelogram. Then, of course, I have the triangle. So the next one I'll probably be using is the triangle properties. Triangle properties, you have some of angles in the triangle. And then you have here 80 degrees, and if you can see clearly, I'm going to erase some of the lines here and leaving just these two. Can you see what properties I'm going to use here? That is the vertically opposite angles. That's right. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So you have here with the known angle EFC is 80 degrees. That gives me the first clue here to this angle AFD is equals to 80 degrees as well because of the particularly opposite angles formed by the X. You can see the pink and the yellow line. With that, I can use the first the second property that was stated, sum of angles in a triangle. Look at triangle ADF. So with that, I can find this angle here. And you realize it's going to be the same as this angle here, which is the unknown angle ABE. So the unknown angle ABE here is going to be the same as this angle ADF, because of the parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So with that, I can use sum of angles in a triangle, 180 degrees minus 45 degrees minus 80 degrees. So you have 180 minus 80, 100 minus 45, that will be 55 degrees. So with that, I can find this angle, which is 55 degrees, which is the same as here, 55 degrees. So that's my first answer, angle ABE equals to 55 degrees. Then let's move on to find the next unknown angle, which is here. And let's see what information we have. Okay, we need the large triangle now, the pink color triangle, ABE. And you have angle ABE given also. So I need to know this one here, and then I can find angle CF that is required. So that I'll move on back to the property of parallelograms. So you have to find this angle. So that will be angle BAE or BAF. And that will be using the 180 degrees minus the 55 degrees, the vertically opposite angle here. I mean the opposite angles in the parallelogram, and minus the 45 degrees that's here, and that will be 100 degrees, which is like the previous question. Oh, sorry, 80 degrees, which is like which is like you have calculated previously. You realize it's also 80 degrees. So with that, I found here is 80 degrees. I can find angle that is required, angle CEF, with the sum of angle property, 180 degrees minus 80 degrees minus 55 degrees, and you got your answer to angle C. Okay, so this is a prime 6 question of angle properties in geometry figures. Question 7 on page 160.